Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got another box of goodies from CRAFTYFOX251. You may have seen only the other day I did post a video with a load of her products. She has a shop on Etsy. It's fantastic. She has so many different products on there. They're all really affordable. Like, I'm talking like 50p for some items. She's got a wide range of like nail art products. She's got like gifty things. She's got like jewellery, arts and crafts, a bit of all sorts. If you haven't already seen that video, I will pop a link up here and I'll also tag it in the description box. It's quite a long video, there was a lot of stuff to go through, but they're all really gorgeous products. And whilst I was in the middle of filming that other video, I actually stopped filming and placed another order with her. So this is what I've got here today. I've got the bits that I've ordered, and she's also sent me a few extras because she's just so sweet. She's the loveliest woman ever. Definitely go check out her shop. She's also got Instagram and Facebook. She's really lovely, and her products are incredible. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to dive into this box. I'm going to show you some more of her products. I'm really excited. They're just so beautiful. But I hope you all enjoy, and other than that, let's crack on and have a look. So here we've got another note. There we have got her Etsy shop, her Instagram and her Facebook, her super cute little logo, and a lovely message. It says, "Hey Sammy, thank you so much for your order. Gave you some more freebies too. I really appreciate it. Love, stay safe, April, kiss." And then, "Thank you for your order. I look forward to you visiting again. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Regards, April." She's just so sweet. She really is one of the sweetest ladies ever. So I'm going to start off with these. We have got some love hearts. They are really pretty. I've got some similar but not quite the same. I've got some sort of like metallic-y kind of shifting ones, but they're not as bright and vibrant as these. They're really nice, and I really like these because I don't really like to stick to like typical colours when it comes to like Valentine's, Christmas, Halloween, etc. So these are great because I want to do some sort of like multicoloured Valentine's sets. But yeah, they're really gorgeous. I think these are 50p, but there's like loads in there. We've got white, yellow, green, red, pink, blue. They're really nice. I really like them. They are really thin as well, so really nice and easy to work with on a set of nails. But yeah, love them. We have then also got some holographic dots. Oh, there's actually some matte ones in there as well. So we've got some purple matte ones. Then we've got like blue, gold. It's really hard to see because it's so holographic. It's hard to tell what their actual normal colour is. But yeah, look how awesome they are. Look at that holo shift. But again, I think these are 50p. I think these are part of like, she does a random packs thingy, which is 50p, and then she'll send you a random one of these, so you could get like hearts, you could get dots. I think you just get sent one random for 50p, but it's a really good price, and like you can see there's loads in there. They're really awesome. I cannot wait to use them. Next we've got these stars. I really like these. I had to get these. Ta-da! They are so holographic. So they're 4-pointed studs, and they're in so many different colours, but they've obviously got the holographic shift to them. So you've just got a bit of all sorts going on there. But again, it's a massive pot for £1.25 as well, so super affordable. Yeah, I really like them. They're really cool. So we'll see a bit better in the lid there. So she's also sent me a sample size bag of this clear white ultrafine glitter. So it looks white, but I think it's sort of like a clear, which is, I really like glitters like this because like I could do like an ombre, for example, gel polish on a nail, and then you pour some of this over and the colours of the ombre still come through, but it just adds really nice sparkle to it. And I really love glitters like this. I believe she's selling this for 50p a bag. Obviously this is just a sample size, but 50p for a full size bag is really good. And yeah, I love glitter like this. It just gives a really nice sparkle to your designs. And then here we've got a salmon red peach ultra fine glitter. So obviously it's like a salmony sort of red colour, but it's also holographic, as you can see there. It's really gorgeous. Kind of a similar colour to that posy red that I showed you in the last video. This one's ultra fine sort of version. It's really pretty there. I really like it. I just love that holographic shift to it. This is 75p a bag. Then we've got this one here, which is the Ruby Ultra Fine. So it's a red fine mix with an iridescent shift to it. This is also 50p a bag, but it's super pretty. Next we got this one called Marina. It's a blue sort of multi-mix with small hexes and large hexes. Super iridescent. It's really pretty. It's a gorgeous shade of blue as well. Yeah, I really like that one. This one is 95p a bag. Then we got this one here called Forest. Obviously it's a forest green colour. It's a multi-mix, so you've got ultra fine, you've got small hexes and large hexes in there. And it's just a gorgeous shade of green. And again holographic. This one is also 95p a bag. Then we've got this one called Autumn Fire. As you can see, it's sort of like a burnt orange colour. It's a multi-mix just like the last one. So we've got ultra fine, glitter, we've got small hexes and large hexes, and it's just gorgeous burnt orange with the holographic shift to it again. This one is also 95p a bag, and it's just super pretty. Then we've got this called Ruby Shoes. This is just an ultra fine glitter, but look at that. It's such a gorgeous shade of red. I really like that. It's not listed up on the shop yet, so I'm not too sure how much this one is, but isn't that a gorgeous shade of red? I really like that. Okay, and then we've got these, which I absolutely love. I showed some of these in my last video and I loved them so much I went and ordered 2 more packs. So in a pack you get 3 rolls and they're selected at random, but they're only 50p, and I love the last one so much. I just had to have some more, and I like these ones even more. They are just absolutely gorgeous. So you can have a good look at the design set. This one we've got hearts. They're sort of half and half hearts, so half the hearts one colour and half the hearts another colour. Absolutely gorgeous. We've got this pink and white stripy one, which is awesome. I really like that. We've got this one here with multiple colour stripes on it. We've got this one with the green hearts. That's really cool. I really like that. And we've got this one with a really cool colourful pattern on it again. And then that one with some gold butterflies on it. I really love these so much. I think they're just so awesome. But yeah, like I said, you get like a pack of 3, randomly selected 50p, and they're just awesome. I love them a lot. And we've got these. I mentioned these in my last video because I was curious about them. They're scratch and sniff stickers, and these ones apparently are bubble gum. I've not seen anything like these before. I'm going to open them up and I'm going to try out one and see what it's about. So do you literally just scratch it? You do? Oh, they're fun. I literally just like scratching it slightly, and it does actually smell like bubblegum. There's also like a proper sticker as well. Oh, they're something different, aren't they? And kids will love these. They really will love those. I might have to get some more of those. I feel like the kids are going to absolutely love them. Yeah, something a bit funky and a bit different, eh? But yeah, she does a whole different range of scents. This is just a sample size pack, but for a full size one, it's £1.25. And she's got like watermelon, vanilla, chocolate, cola, orange, pineapple. We've got banana, bubblegum, lemon, strawberry. So there's like a whole load of different fragrances. Yeah, they're really fun. They're just something well different. Like I never had nothing like this as a kid. Yeah, they're wicked. I really like them. And then we've got some more earrings. I did show some earrings in my last video. And then I went on the website and I saw these ones, and I just really like them. You guys know that I love my colourful stuff, and I just really like these ones. Like look, they've got just like this little bead on them. It kind of looks like it's got like alcohol ink all over it, is what it reminds me of, but they're just so colourful. They're just really cute, diddy little dangly earrings. But she's got a few different types of earrings on the shop, so you should definitely check them out if you're into your jewellery. Yeah, I just thought they were adorable, so I had to have them. I love cute little things like that. She's putting a cute little sort of rose gold holographic heart in there. It's adorable. And then last but certainly not least, we've got this little bracelet here. So it's like a stretchy sort of elasticated bracelet. I just really like the beads on it. See them? Aren't they pretty? It's a gorgeous shade of blue, and I just love these gold sort of bits going through them. This bracelet was 95p, so it's like super affordable again, and really cute. I really liked it. I just had to have it. But yeah, like I said, she's got a whole range of like nail art products. She's got jewellery, she's got like arts and crafty bits. There's just a bit of all sorts, and they're all just super affordable. I really love that bracelet, super cute. But yeah, it's absolutely everything from my Crafty Fox haul today. Thank you so much, April. You really did not have to send me any extras, but I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have all enjoyed the video, and like I said, definitely go check her out. I will leave all her links in the description box as I did on the last video. She's got some really fantastic products and they really are so affordable, and she's just a sweetheart, so definitely go check her out. But yeah, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much. Thank you again, April, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.